Don't let your van get this bad. Can't see anything from the outside much, can you? Just a bit of rust here on the step of this Mark 5 Transit. I don't know what happens underneath. The rot's got right in. Has made a big hole in the sill. That's all because of the water travelling in this channel section of this seal. All the way down here, deposits of water both sides of the seam. See here, there's a seam running along the bottom of the door here. And it goes underneath this plastic and underneath that one. What a mess. I'm going to take a bit of welding and get this up. Come on baby, get up there. Now you can see the other side where the water travels both sides of this channel of the seal here, the rubber seal. You can see all that rust where the water's travelled down in the back of this channel on the seal. Over down here. It's rusted all the way up that seam, body seam there. Oops. Jesus, look at that. This is a lot worse than I thought. It's gone right through the inner sill. Just punched a hole right through. You see my fingers there? So I'm going to have to get underneath and patch that as well. I think I'm going to have to put a whole new sill in here. Hopefully I can salvage that part of the front wing wheel arch. Probably take it from here. All that lot. Hopefully to there. Well, I was really lucky with the sill because someone had wax oiled it in the past and it's perfectly sound. It's the original paint there inside the sill. How about that? So the whole of the sill is sound apart from that little bit there, which is not that important. So that's good news. So I've just got to do the inner sill there and line that and weld a plate into that. And even the front is good. Right up there. Still original paint there. Fantastic. I was lucky. I found a bit that fits perfectly. Excellent.